creating calm through song structure. My favorite Saharan rock band, Tamikrest, just released their new album, Assikel, and I've had it on repeat this week. Why? Well, firstly, this is a mesmerizing collection of songs that make me feel good. I can sense the warmth emanating from their laid-back desert grooves. And considering it's the middle of May and we've just had more snow here in Alberta, I'm well up for their hot Saharan vibes. Another reason I love this album is that it was recorded live in the studio to analog tape. That's what I'm talking about. It's the only way to capture the magical synergy that's created when a great band performs together. It's been a rare method of recording since the 1950s when multitrack recorders became common in studios. So for this reason alone, Tamikrest's new album is worth a listen. But my favorite thing about Assikel is the unusual song structures, and that's something we can all learn from this band. Their songs are not structured like regular songs, which switch back and forth between verse and chorus sections. When it's done well, that switching is stimulating, but the downside of being stimulated is that it's the opposite of being relaxed. There's nothing wrong with a coffee in the morning, but a coffee before bed? Well, that's a very different story. And as our fast-paced modern world speeds up exponentially, the calm that Tamikrest's non-switching song structures create is a sonic sanctuary. In the sizzling Sahara, it's far too hot for stimulation. The wisdom of the desert invites us to sit in the shade. This shifts our attention to stillness and awakens an idea that maybe we don't need anything out there. Maybe it's perfect right here in the shade. I was born and raised in South Africa, and I remember that feeling of being so hot that you're forced to sit as still as possible because any movement creates heat in your body, and that's the last thing you need. So you sit still, sweating and contemplating and sweating until the need for water outweighs the need for stillness. So you stretch out your arm slowly and reach for the drink. So here's the songwriting hack that we can all learn from Tamikrest. Songs don't always have to be journeys through different sections. They can instead be contemplative explorations of one section. Stillness is a sonic sanctuary. For all these reasons and more, I've got Tamikrest Assikel on repeat. I'd love to know what you have on repeat this week, so please let me know in the comments. And thanks for listening, my friend. You are very much appreciated here.